white-faced Capuchins. On a desert island, opportunity can come from unlikely places. A sea almond, the nut inside, is full of delicious fat. But it's protected by a sturdy shell, and getting into it is frustratingly hard. For that, he must head across the forest to a crystal clear stream, an occasional hangout for older and wiser Capuchins. The adults have worked out that the trees here are particularly fruitful, and the nuts collect in convenient pools. A unique scenario that allows a monkey to do something ingenious. Take one softened nut, the correct sized rock, It was once thought that only humans were smart enough to use stone tools. But these Capuchins have both a hammer and an anvil. They're one of only 3 types of monkey on the planet to have mastered this complex skill. For an inquisitive youngster, the nuances of nut cracking are almost hypnotic. He learns by watching his elders' technique, and when the anvil is free, trying to copy it. Watch your toes. It's a bit pummeled, but he has cracked it. Well, sort of. By learning to use tools, these remarkable monkeys have given themselves a break from the challenges of island life.